Oh, we got some things to talk about.
Yeah. Kids will be crying when I'm done. Go to the net. Go to the net. Look for the puck at the net. Look for the puck at the net, not behind. Yeah, well, Sam decided to go around the back for some reason.
There you go.
Okay, but don't go around the back of the net. Now he's going to come up. There you go. Go to the net. Go to the net. Again, nobody's is there, sort of. Nobody's in front. So everybody's... That's ice. That's ice. It's ice.
Ice and wine.
See who's on D here. So we got Ryland still on D. That Fish is on D.
Same lineup.
Same, pretty much, yeah. Look at the other point would be wide open.
Just told them not to.
Boards, boards. There we go. That's gonna be ice.
Oh, they waved it off.
Really? I don't know why. Good for us, I guess. Shoot, shoot.
Ryland's not correct.
At least he didn't trip him. That could have been. Yeah, somebody's got to watch the play. Yeah. Lucky block. He's going to come this way. He's looking like it.
That.
I haven't seen anybody that on their team that's really blowing by anyone yet. Are they gonna call ice? No, he said it.
Oh, he shouldn't because it
hit ours. Yeah, it hit our player. Yeah. So if it inadvertently hits us, it's not ice? It's hard to see the puck down there. Oh, their own team deflected. So I hope Sam gets a shot. Get it low. I don't miss it. It's coming out. Oh, no, it's not. Keep it in. Go to the net. The first chance, maybe. Go, Sam! Right there, I want her to anticipate that kind of stuff and go. And here she should start skating. That's, yeah, too long. Now she's behind the play. Cut him off. Cut him off. Cut him off. Hit it low if you're going to lose it. No, don't fall over. That's offside. Oh, don't miss that. Do we know the team? We still don't. We don't know. We don't know who they are, right? That defense had a tough time. There you go. Try to pinch him off. It's good. There you go. Just go right through him. Look at the points. Bad whistle.
Quick whistle.
Been in their end the whole game. Handcuffed him a little. Whistle. Yep. Something rink rats. Off, way off. Actually, this team doesn't look that very good at all. Maybe a touch better than Scottsville, maybe. What? Oh, I couldn't see it. Get ready, Ethan. Ryland got to get open. Yep. Pinch. Jesus. Chip it out. Chip it. There we go. Skate.
Right side, left side.
Oh, collision. that was close. Come on, Ethan, get ready. Keep it in. Good. What the hell is Sam doing? Offense, offense. Play offense. Get it low if you can't do anything with it. Fight for it now, don't just look at it. Come on, Sam, stronger on the stick. Might be the first save. There you go, 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 go! Faster! Handcuffed him a little. Now turn and go, turn and go. Period. It was close. Are we doing that or we don't know? Is Jacob on defense?
No.
Oh,
he's just going back.
Just helping. Oh. Yeah, he's not one. He's not one to stay down if he's not hurt. Right. I think he's a little too close to him on that. I like to see him a little. Nobody home there. Chip it out. Oh, that's quite a backhand. There you go, chip it out. Now it works. There you go. Oh, good move. Just throw it from there. 4 seconds. Are they pulling their goalie?
Yeah, it was only 4 seconds and it's going to be in our zone.
We should get Tyler out there to just slap it down. He's probably the one that has the ability to maybe reach that. Here we go.
Yes, there is. I put it back.
Man on! Oh, this guy doesn't like the low shots. Who?
Brian.
I didn't see it. I wasn't paying attention. Sam, you got to get ready. Skate. Don't just leave the puck out there. I gotta try to get her to not do that. Where's the puck? A lot of, they just bunch everyone down low. Our points are wide. travel team, I think. Actually, they're Canadian. When they have the stop on their back. Go. Ah, it's close. You had the right idea. Watch that guy behind your stick. Yeah, you saw that guy. Oh, it's like a bug on a windshield. There you go. Cut him right off. Point. Yeah, perfect. Shot. Nobody's in front. You like to gotta get someone in front on that. Cross, center D. And get it up to the point. Oh, we got a guy in the zone over there. I can see that. Yeah. Trip. Close. He didn't fall. Yeah, no. Point. You're going to come up to the point. Kate's got to get him out.
Hustle over there, Kate.
He's getting cut off. Yeah, there we go.
Wow, back check.
She's a little flat-footed.
Yeah.
She got flat-footed there. You gotta match that. See, I like to see it. There we go. See, if he backs out, it gives the other guy room because the D floats back. Brown's gotta look for a pass. Oh. We got Ryland's.
What's the door?
Yeah, I know. If this guy hits it in, it's. There we go. Oh, almost. Oh, fish.
Bad thing.
3-on-1. Get in there, Sam. All right, now offense. Now I wanted to go that way. I don't just weakly tack that thing. Jesus. There we go. Go, Sam. Don't stop. Where is it? Good pass. He saw bad catch. Just get it low if you're going to lose it there. That's why you just chase after it, because they fumble it. Sam, your side. Where are you? Oh, come over here if nobody's here, I guess. Jesus Christ. Chip it. Chipping it out. Nope, it's in. Ah, just snuck out of nowhere. Back out, back out, back out. Jeez. There you go. Go, go! Trying to get it, trying to get it. Evans wrestling in the front. That's ice. No? Yeah, he's got it. He's got it. Other than that one shot, I don't remember much else, really. Whip it. Hammer. Keep it in. Oh, he did. There you go. That's the right idea. Down low. Right idea. Good. There you go. Good. Cross. Good. Yep. And deflection. He's gonna watch this guy in the center. He's gonna poke it to him. Boards. Center D. We got to see center D on that one.
Wait, Jacob, get back.
It's out. Looks like it's out. Come back to him. Come on, don't stop. There you go. Offense. Nice kick. Go, Sam! Jesus, I don't want her to stand still like that. Hit the guy. Just hit him. There you go. Skate hard, Sam. That's could be a hook.
Should have been a hook.
There you go. Oh my God. What the hell is she doing? This guy has rebound troubles. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Is that Kate? Is somebody? Is that Rylan? Yeah, it's Rylan. I guess I'll hold it. That's where you just think offense and go. Who's over here? Tip it over here. Yeah, I know. Evan, look for Evan. Go through this guy. Oh, you gotta use your body on that. That's what he's got, right? If they're gonna watch you, skate with it, right? So we got another just one goal here. So if we end it like this, we get another point. Yes. It was close. It was close. Oh, good. Pressure it. This is it. This is it. Another point. Get it? Just go in and dump it down low. Or just skate through the whole thing. Yeah, I know, or that too. Oh, was that a save or a miss? I couldn't tell. See, that would really confuse. Not a lot of teams can handle that too much. You know, this team just did a good job on it. Jacobs back, the defensive forward of the game.
He's skating.
Yeah.
Like a madman.
Yeah. I don't need the. Time to change.
Watch your hook.
Let's turn and go. Ah, good at it. Rip it. That's two for Casey. net. Go to the net right now.
Nice pass, Rylan.
That's better. Oh, he stopped the rebound.
One more time.
Dump it, get it low, get it low. Get it out, get it out. Is that Jacob again? Yeah, Jacob's doing a good job of that this game. Change the D here. Don't skate that way, skate the other way, the other way. There we go. Oh, get up. Watch this guy over here. He's sitting around. There we go, fit. What? No, Jacob, I think. I don't think he's got. I don't think Fish. I'm thinking Jacob. They kind of bumped in the corner.
Oh, it's one of theirs.
Oh, okay, good. It wasn't. Oh, I was gonna say. I didn't think it was gonna be Fish. Throwing it out. I guess they're getting frustrated. There you go. Right idea. There you go, wide open. Go to the net! Is that Jacob? Whoa! His eyes lit up, but it Take a look. There you go. That's perfect. Middle, exactly. Don't go back. Come on, ref. Move in, Sam. That's where she's got to move in. Cut him off. Cut that guy off. Jacob knew he was doing that. Oh, Blackburn. Madman's going head first into the boards. Now she should just bust it because nobody's here. Go, Sam! That's why she should have went a while ago. Rebound. Where they got a running clock because of the score?
Yeah.
Chip it. There we go. Perfect. Your back's to him. Oh, was that a trip? Yeah, he got it. He got it. He got it. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, was it? I thought it was a trip. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't see it. I just saw our guy fall. Eyes lit up again. I don't know who got that. I think everybody swung at that. I think Ethan hurt his butt on that one because when you land, there's no pads back there. idea. Offside. Just do the offside. That's it. Fast. Yeah. Yeah, if there's no across, just. There's Jacob on D again. Oh. There's no more games today, right? I wish there was, really. I don't know if that's on purpose, but that kind of stuff. So we're doing it after? We're going to travel?
I think it's one of the higher levels.